What is the value of the expression 7 plus 56 divided by 7 multiplied by open parenthesis 1 plus 3 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's break it down and solve it together. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression 7 plus 56 and write this expression as 63 divided by 7 multiplied by 1 plus 3 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they go for the division between 63 and 7. And this expression simplified to 9 multiplied by 1 plus 3 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they tackle the expression inside the parentheses and write it as 9 multiplied by 4, which ultimately gives them the answer 36. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option C. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go for the parentheses and write this expression as 7 plus 56 divided by 7 multiplied by 4. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 7 and 4 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, this equation simplified to 7 plus 56 divided by 28. Then, they go for the division between 56 and 28 because they think division has a higher priority than addition. And they rewrite this equation as 7 plus 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 9. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we're tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Okay, as you can see in the image, and this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operation. So, instead of this expression, we can write 7 plus 56 divided by 7 multiplied by 4. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have a higher priority than addition. However, it's really important to understand that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 56 and 7, which simplified this equation to 7 plus 8 multiplied by 4. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 8 and 4, because multiplication has priority over addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write 7 plus 32, which ultimately gives us the answer 39. Therefore, option D is the correct answer to this question.